Hi everybody, my name is Ali and I'm going to present a Hydro-Retractor today. The problem is current retractor, none of them can retract tissue from inside the body. Surprisingly, we don't have any retraction system in minimally invasive surgery that can cause many complications and made some surgeries impossible. It's good to have a fast retractor in a critical situation. You can appreciate that how a Hydro-Retractor can retract tissue from inside. This design can expand 9 to 25 times itself and can fit from minimally invasive surgical exposure. In the optimization area, it is important to know the prolongation of this surgery complication and the surgeon burnout, and minimally invasive surgeries are growing every day. It is a good business because it is just a tube. It's very easy to make. You just need to make it in different sizes and use it for all kinds of surgeries. It is very easy to use and understand, and expected profit market is 2.8 billion. Lauren MD Corporation includes inventor, have first exposure to the field, and investor, lawyer who patented the idea and registered the company, mechanical engineer, and chemical engineer. But the fact is, all of them just me, and I know I can't go far alone. Right now I am looking for a principal investigator to help me apply for STTR application. For recap, this design is a single solution for all kinds of surgeries, just different size, different power. It is lightweighted, fast, easy, simple, compact, as you see here. And the direct benefits is like less sleeping, less operation time, fewer person in the OR, and less burnout. Indirect benefits like less infection, less hospital stay, less complication, less lawsuit expenses for the hospital. And yeah.
Thank you for your pitch. One first question I have, you have a lot of value propositions listed on this last slide. I'm wondering, as you look ahead to prioritizing data collection and building an evidence base for these value propositions, which one do you look to have data for first?
This is a good question. I'm going to go for a very simple surgery in a veterinary surgery field, like simply just a hernia surgery. Or I get very nice advice a couple of days ago about the laparoscopic surgery, and the surgeon told me that they have to put a patient, we call that Telenderenberg situation, position, to very weird position that can cause respiratory problems, to do some kind of robotic surgeries that could be even life-saving. So I have a couple of options, and I think one of these should be a good idea to pursue.
Thank you.
All right, great presentation. I was just curious, where do you see yourself fitting in with the company as it moves forward and move toward commercialization?
I'm a graduated MD and research fellow, neurosurgery research fellow right now, and I hope I can be a consultant later that can give consult to, hey, I think in this area we can use it, and this modification could help us to do it. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Great presentation. Could you tell me a little bit more about how easy it is to replace the current devices with what you're proposing, and to what the competition would look like as you look forward to the market?
Right. As I mentioned before, there is 3 paths that I predicted. What we currently have, and I think it's going to be always in all surgeries, the current static retractors. Those retractors are one one pathway that I have competition with, and this retractor is very easier to make than them, also it's the single design. It just needs to be in different sizes and different power. It can do eye surgery, very delicate, and I can control the pressure on the tissue, which is another advantage of this retractor that other conventional retractor don't have. And there is a like list of that I didn't have the time to bring in the slides to compete with them. But the next thing is, even there is a field that there's no competition. In minimally invasive surgeries, we are using $1 million robotic hand or laparoscopic hand to push a tissue aside, which it is ineffective in some situations. And it would be like I can tell, to revolutionize some kind of surgeries at least. The bubble in laparoscopic surgery in obese patient, it is always a problem. And it could be like, put it in the side, push the fluid. It gives the surgeon like safe tunnel to do the surgery. And the one of gynecology surgeries directly mentioned that to me, like for ovarectomy surgeries in obese patient, if it works, it would be great. And the third thing is in emergency situations and in the situation that we have limited resources like battle, we want something like this instead of a bag of metals that we need to sterilize. It's heavy, bring it, take it. But if you have this with only one syringe filled with saline, you can, let's say we have a laceration and we have a bleeding the vessel in the arm. You can put it here, push the syringe, it push the muscle and skin aside, and you do the neurovascular surgery. So it's three field.
Very good.